everybody, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'm joined by Patrick Ali from Siser North America. Patrick, how you doing, man?
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you guys for having us. This is awesome.
Of course.
Yeah.
So one thing that we get asked a lot here at Heat Press Nation is, why should I choose Siser?
Yes.
Now me, I'm a Siser boy. I've been using Siser for years,
Yeah.
so of course there's a little bit of a personal bias here. But you, working so closely at the company, you know, you're involved in so many different aspects.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell us some of what goes into making Siser and why people should choose Siser products?
Absolutely. Well, I mean, obviously, to start off, the very first thing is the durability of our product. So for us at Siser, we really take it seriously when we develop a product. Everything has to pass a minimum 30 wash test. Anywhere from 20 to 30 washes, we typically see that as the normal lifespan of a t-shirt. In some cases, it's not the case. Sometimes they last longer than that, but that's part of that durability process that we instill to make sure those things are great. The other portion is just the fact that when you have that material on your shirt, you know and you can be confident that it's CPSIA compliant, which is awesome for anybody at home, especially if you have kids, you have animals, pets, and we're designing and creating in our own spaces. Having that CPSIA stamp of approval saying, like, this is a safe chemical balanced product for me to put on my...
No microplastics
No
in there.
microplastics, that's the best part, is that it just allows us to make sure that durability lasts even longer and longer, and we know that everybody's safe too, so.
It's beautiful.
Absolutely.
And we're referencing this shirt here, so if you guys go through the thumbnails on our YouTube channel, you're gonna see this shirt pop up a lot. I made this in 2019,
I like
so
it.
this is like a 4-year-old t-shirt here, and the graphic still looks beautiful.
Good.
I got Siser Easy Weed stretch going on here.
Yep.
The color of my shirt has faded.
Oh yeah, there's your color comparison, because I have a little bit newer one on.
Yeah, so this shirt,
okay.
yeah, so the color of my shirt's faded. The color of my graphic is still just as vibrant as when I first put it on.
It looks great. It looks great every time. So
Cool.
that just shows you a little bit about the passion that we put in to make sure that you have a long-lasting memory forever. You know?
I love it. And so, like, and in addition to the quality and the durability, I mean, we have safety here going on. Are there any other really cool factors that maybe we might not be aware of about Siser?
The best part about it is it's easy to work with. I mean, the reason we call it Easy Weed is literally because it's easy to weed, but it's an easy product to work with. Having an adhesive carrier that allows you to use that 1-second tack method that we teach all the time on camera, it allows now you to take multi-layer projects like you have here and apply each layer with minimal shrinking to your garment, minimal shrinking to your product itself, and it ultimately gives you a full, well-rounded design, which typically, as anybody knows at home, when that shirt starts to shrink, when you put it under heat too long, then that registration from one layer to the next, it's impossible.
Nothing lines up right.
So by having those little attributes in that material, it's also allowing for our process to be a lot more efficient, so yeah.
Patrick, I want to thank you one more time for coming out here, talking to us a little bit about Siser products. Now, if you guys want to purchase Siser products, of course, you can always visit us at heatpressnation.com for content about Siser and other heat transfer. You can find us here on YouTube at Heat Press Nation, and
make sure that you head over to heatpressnation.com to pick up your material today. Today.
Awesome. Hey, Patrick, thank you so much once again.
Buddy. I appreciate
We'll see you around. Adios, everyone.
Bye-bye.